Tuesday, October 14th, Downers Grove held its traditional joint concert with O'Neill Middle School. The concert allows middle schoolers to gain tips from upperclassmen before they join the orchestra here at DGS. We interviewed Miss Alexandria West about the concert and how it allows middle schoolers to gain experience in the Downers Grove South Orchestra.
So this is my second year in the district, and there's been a long-standing tradition of the middle school orchestras coming to the high school concert in the fall and combining, which is a really great opportunity for not only the high school students to see some old friends and have some leadership opportunities, but for the middle school students to see, if you continue in orchestra, this is where you can end up. And it's a really great community aspect as well for everyone to be a part of. So it's something that I kind of walked into that was here, but it's definitely a great thing, and it's a really nice opportunity for me as well to see, who my future students are going to be. We have a workshop. We have the concert tonight, and then we have a workshop. And the workshop, they have a sectional, so sometimes there are student leaders in each section, so they break it down by instruments. So that's a really good opportunity for some of those high school leaders to help out the middle school students.
We also interviewed freshman Mac Birch about the concert.
Yeah, I would say so. They definitely took cues off of the upper orchestras, and were definitely looking at us as kind of models for what they should do. I would say they definitely liked the upperclassmen. There are a lot of them who are very, very good. And I think Miss West is doing very good at kind of shaping her own orchestra and putting her own vision into it.
In Downers Grove South with the Blueprint News Network, this is Adrian Harris.